Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on this channel me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls. European, American, Russian and Australian women, it doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. Lika made an episode for you on how to start a chat with a girl. This is a very cool video. I decided to go on with this topic and talk about what to do next after the conversation started. The girl answered. My advice will help you not to fall face down in the mud, but to get the maximum points in this game. If you are interested in this topic, support my video blog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go. The first point of my fantastic top, you will learn that you need to write to a girl within the first 24 hours. After you took her number, subscribe to the profile and hit the like. The girl knows you have her contacts and she's waiting without even realizing herself until you get in touch. If a day has passed and you're silent, she will think that she didn't interest you. Then she will simply turn her attention to the other aspects of her life. It's unlikely that she's sad and sighing about you, leaving everything. Modern life is immobile. People do not waste time waiting. By how soon you write to her, she will judge how much you have a crush on her. Just remember, opportunity only knocks once. Let's go further. Point number 2. Study the profile of the girl. In the review of chats, I showed you an example of communication when a guy saw a lot of photos with her dog in a girl's profile. He deliberately started a conversation about pets because he was sure that she had something to answer. Scroll through the photos, read the posts to know what girl is interested, where she works, studies, hobbies, what worries her. I'll say more. After the first message, the girl already went to view your account. This is the only way to form the first impression of a person. It's like his clothes, even a short dossier. Having formed a certain list of topics for yourself, you will be armed and you will be able to avoid empty, meaningless correspondence. Next in line, in the third point of my enchanting top, be moderately polite. Politeness is a great value, but the key point here, in moderation. You certainly shouldn't be too polite because usually people hide insecurity behind an excess of politeness. A guy shouldn't constantly ask for forgiveness for worrying, for waiting, late or early and so on. It'd always be enough to say hello at the beginning and wish you a good day or sweet dreams at the end. The girl is a delicate person. She feels that there is something behind the excessive politeness. And when she realizes that you are unsure of yourself, it will clearly not be points in your favor. The girl will stop seeing you as a real man, will start to dominate, and after that, communication will be over. I also gave you great advice in the fourth point. Connect your sense of humor. A sense of humor is your main weapon. There is no girl who wouldn't appreciate a guy's jokes. Of course, I mean relevant, witty, not vulgar, not sexist jokes. In general, those that do not go beyond the bounds of decency. By the way, it would be nice to show her that you are quite self-ironic and can laugh at yourself as well. Not everyone can do it. She will mark it as your advantage. In general, if you could make her laugh, consider she surrenders to you. The last for today, the fifth point, write for any reason. That is not just hello or how are you, and certainly not I'm just bored so I decided to write, but on case. Tell her about a funny situation at work, ask for advice. In the previous paragraph, I advised you to be self-ironic. Do not be afraid to write something like, you will laugh when you find out how I screwed up today, or something like that. So you will intrigue her, she will definitely want to know what you have done. And empty talk will not interest her. What secrets do you know? What works in chatting? Share in the comments. Do you want to know what you definitely don't need to write? Then wait for the second part of this video, and in order not to miss, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Well, you won't leave me without your mighty like, will you? Bye bye.